Hi, my name is Melanie Herrera. I'm a tax senior here at Rivero Gordimer. I've been here for 3 years. I originally moved to Tampa to go to the University of Tampa, where I got my bachelor's in accounting and my master's in accounting. And we're here to do a little Q&A for those individuals looking to start their careers in public accounting.
Hi, my name's Tiffany Herrera. I'm a senior auditor here at RGCO. I've been with the firm for about a year and a half now. I obtained my master's degree from FAU and my undergraduate degree from IRSC. To get started with the first question, Melanie, what would you say you like most about working here at RG&Co, and what drew you to a smaller firm versus the Big Four?
I knew that I did not want to go Big Four, so I was mostly just looking at smaller firms in the area. I first met RGCO at a networking event through the University of Tampa, and after talking with them, I liked that they had mentioned that I would be able to work on clients of all different sizes and across all different industries. You do a lot of on-the-job training, so in the beginning you start off on the smaller, easier clients, and then as you learn and progress, you work on the bigger, more difficult clients. So there's always room to grow, and you definitely get to learn a lot. What would you say you like most about RGCO?
I would say what drew me to RG is that it's a very age-diverse workplace. It's really nice to have colleagues that are around the same age group as you, so you're able to connect with them. Everyone here is extremely welcoming and approachable. Here we're a close-knit firm. We get together for after-work happy hours and competitive sporting events, whether it's bowling or kickball, something like that. And also, as Melanie mentioned, on the audit side, on-the-job training will occur at the client site, and it's a learning curve that can really be exciting.
So what do you think is your favorite part of the job?
I would say my favorite part of the job is being exposed to meaningful work. You'll get your feet wet earlier in the process, which can be a confidence builder. And also work-life balance. While obviously we have a busy season, we get lighter hours once busy season ends. And how about you?
For me, it's the people that I work with. We formed a really good group over on the tax side. We go out after work sometimes together, and I also like that I feel very comfortable with my managers and shareholders. Their doors are always open, so anytime I have any question, whether it's specifically their client or not, they're always willing to help. So it's a very nice environment to work in.
Tax versus audit. What would you say drew you to the tax department?
For me, I like that we're on the side of the client and we can help them with some of their business decisions. If they buy some property and they don't necessarily know how to enter that journal entry into their books, we can help them on their QuickBooks and walk them through what that journal entry should look like. Or maybe they want to sell their business, so we can run through those tax implications of the sale and then kind of help decide if it's a good sale or a bad sale for them. How about you? Why did you choose audit?
I chose audit because I love to travel and going out to client sites. And while you're at client sites, you really get to connect with the client and really showcase your interpersonal and communication skills. And also, I would say audit has a really steady workflow throughout the year, which is a bit more consistent and constant. What would you say growth looks like at RG?
For me, I started here as an intern, fresh out of college, so this is the only CPA firm I've ever worked for. While I was an intern, they were very flexible with my hours while I was still in school. And then after I graduated my bachelor's, while I was still working for my master's, I went to a part-time employee. And again, they were very flexible if I needed time off to study for an exam or finish an assignment. And then after I graduated, I went to a full-time employee, and I was at that level for a year, and I was recently just promoted to senior. So I've definitely experienced the growth here, and I hope to continue growing here at the firm. How about you? What was your growth like?
So prior to joining RG, I was a staff at a local CPA firm. I came to RG also as a staff, and within a year and a half, I was promoted to senior. I will say that RG doesn't promote based on seniority. They promote when they think you're ready. So there's plenty of opportunity for growth here. And with that, RG is always looking for good talent at all levels. Be sure to check out our job postings at rgcocpa.com and LinkedIn.